In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Telegram private channel without link. Before we dive in, it's important to set expectations. Telegram private channels are intentionally locked down. By design, you can only get in with an invite link or if an admin approves you. There isn't a legitimate official way to bypass that. So our goal today is to show you the only reliable approaches that actually work while keeping you safe from scams and wasted time. First, your best path is to reach out to admins or existing members and request access. Start by searching public Telegram groups, forums, Reddit threads, or social media posts where people discuss the channel you're interested in. Look for mentions of the channel name, related topics, or communities that overlap with it. If you find members or moderators talking about it, send a polite, brief message. Introduce yourself, explain why you want to join, and ask if they'd be willing to share an invite or pass along your request to an admin. Keep it respectful, avoid spamming multiple messages, and give them time to reply. If you already know specific usernames, you can direct message them in Telegram. Be wary of anyone asking for payment or personal information. Genuine admins don't need either just to send an invite. The second approach is to search for legitimate invite links that may have been shared publicly. Use Telegram's search bar to look for the channel name or related keywords and check community posts that sometimes share TME links. You can also look at directories or websites that compile Telegram channels. However, verification is crucial. Make sure the link points to the correct channel name, check the description, and look for credible sources that shared it. If something seems off, or if the link takes you to an unrelated channel, back out immediately. Never trust methods that claim to hack or modify TME links to force entry. Those tricks don't work for strictly private channels that require manual approval, and they often lead to fake pages or scams. To recap, there's no secret workaround. The only dependable way is to get an invite from an admin or member, or to find a legitimate invite link that's been shared by the community. Always verify sources, never pay for access, and don't share personal information just to join a channel. Respect the channel's rules and the platform's policies. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials.